designer, web graphic designer, and I came to know about this workshop on Insta ad, I guess, and it's really amazing, and I'm really loving it. I am Rishi and I love to explore the art and craft. So I just know about this workshop and I was so excited and I'm enjoying this. Thank you Megha for this.
Hey there, I'm Farben Girl and I'm an interior design student, and I got to know about this workshop through Instagram and I'm really enjoying it. It's amazing.
Myself Kanika and I'm from Amritsar. I'm an artist, so this resin art is new for me. I haven't tried it out before, and I love to learn this craft, and Megha is too good in this. Thank you so much for this.
Inspired. I'm using resin for the first time and it is a new experience for me, and it's good that Megha thought of having a workshop in Chandigarh. So thank you so much for the experience. Thanks.
I'm Farben. I'm studying right now in university and I like this workshop. It was really amazing putting my hands into resin and like experimenting and learning new things.
Hi, I'm Gurpreet. I am IT sales by profession. I've recently developed this interest in art and was always interested to explore about resin. So thanks to Megha that she's in town with interesting things.
Hi, I'm Resin and I'm an architect by profession. And just out of the blue, I saw this ad on Instagram. So I thought, why not go for it? Because it's been a while. I've been do like something like this. I paint also, so I really wanted to try resin course. So it's the most fun workshop I've ever been part of.
This is Harpreet. I'm an interior designer and I choose art as my passion. And I came to know about this from Instagram and it's a lovely workshop.
I am Nicole and I got to know about this workshop on Instagram and I'm feeling really great doing it. So yeah.
You liking it?
Yeah, I'm really liking it.
Hi, I'm Lily. I'm an architect and I just crazy about this creative stuff, so I got to know this through Instagram. So I'm here and I'm enjoying the class a lot.
Thank you.
I am completely from a non-art background, so I love experiencing new things and exploring various things. So I'm loving this. And Megha, it's a really nice lesson. Your lessons were amazing, and I'm loving it.
My name is Dipali and I'm an interior designer and I'm really loving this resin workshop and it is very good. Thank you.
This is Gursimrat and I'm really loving the workshop. Thank you Megha, it's really a nice experience from being from art background, you get to learn resin art. It's really exciting.
On this side,
Again.
I really love this workshop because it's so much of fun. Thank you.
Hey everyone, this is Pooja and I'm from IT background, but I like crafting and doing new things. So I'm very excited for this and I'm really happy that Megha chose Chandigarh for the workshop. Thank you so much Megha.
Hi, I'm Jaspreet. I'm really loving this class. It's amazing. Thank you, Megha.
I'm Ankita. By profession, I'm an interior designer. So I got to know about this workshop from my one of the friend. And yes, I'm here enjoying somewhere lost too. It's really fun and I'm really liking what she's teaching us and that's it. Okay, thank you.
Hi, I'm Simran. I attended this workshop done by Megha and it was a beautiful experience as we got hands-on hands with pigments and resin and everything, and we did all by ourselves, so that was a great part. We experimented and she supported us and it was a great journey. Thank you so much.